Hi, I'm Hillary Shine here with Good News, Killeen. From old places to new faces, we've got it all in this episode. City Council chambers are finally ready for lights, camera, action. Following 6 months of renovation, Council held their first workshop in the remodeled space, February 5th. The transformation is impressive. Gone are the blue curtains and laminates replaced by sleek, modern tones of brown and gray. The most noticeable change to the room is the dais area. The ceiling height was raised significantly to open the space. The dais was reconfigured to give the council their own space by moving the city manager and city attorney to a separate desk area. The technology was completely overhauled to improve sound and visuals for the audience in the chambers and at home. All of the new equipment will enhance viewing, recording, and playback. Funding for the nearly $500,000 project came from PEG funds, which is money received from Spectrum Cable that can only be spent in support of government access channel projects. Come for a meeting or tune in at home to see our beautiful new council chambers. We have a new assistant city manager. David Ellison has joined Team Killeen and brings a wealth of experience with him, including stints as second in command at 5 Texas cities, including San Antonio. He most recently served as a project manager for San Antonio Airport System. David will replace Dennis Baldwin, who retires at the end of this month. Our investment in downtown Killeen continues with Phase 2 of the Downtown Streetscaping Project. This segment is along Avenue D from 8th to 10th Street and will extend street and sidewalk improvements in this historic area and connect the Andy K. Wells Hike and Bike Trail from downtown to the Community Center complex. Phase 1 of the streetscaping project was completed in 2014 and encompassed Avenues C and D from 4th Street to 8th. New driving and walking paths plus lighting and landscaping have made downtown more beautiful and appealing to encourage business development, and this project will continue that momentum. Avenue D between 8th and 10th is closed for the next 6 months for the project, and we count on your patience with detours while we improve downtown. The Citizens Police Academy is accepting applications for its next session, scheduled March through May. Classes are held on Monday evenings from 6 to 9 and cover police functions, from administration to operation to investigation. This is your chance to get behind the thin blue line and learn more about your police department and the issues that affect law enforcement efforts in our community. There's no cost for the program, but participants have to be at least 18 and pass a background check. Space is limited and seats fill quickly, so apply today in person at the police department or contact Tammy Mosley. Mark your calendar for the annual Waterway Cleanup March 2nd. Keep Killeen Beautiful needs your help to gather up trash and debris that is accumulated along Lowe's Boulevard Creek before it washes downstream. All are welcome to help. Just gather up your friends and family and meet at the Walmart parking lot at 8 a.m. We'll give you the supplies and instructions, then you can get to work beautifying and protecting our waterways. Want more? We've got it at KilleenTexas.gov, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Spectrum Cable Channel 10. Thanks for tuning in to Good News, Killeen.